Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel The Trading Game, the channel where you get all the stock market related information, news and financial education. Recently we have seen a heavy bull market, especially with the pharma sector, and many of you have missed to ride the trend. And in fact, I have got many requests from many of you saying just to analyze the stocks, how exactly the pharma did in the last few months. So that's the reason why I'm here today with all the stocks, especially the top A class and B class stocks of pharma and how they did in the last few months. So we'll be looking into the details of that. So assuming that you have invested 10,000 rupees in each of the pharma stocks at the market bottom, which hit in 24th March, how much did these stocks made is the one which we'll be looking at. So assuming now you can see here Ajanta Pharma, Cipla, Wockhardt, Aurobindo Pharma, Torrent and Aarti Drugs. So similarly, there are a number of stocks here, as you can see here. Assuming that you have invested 10,000 rupees here, by now today is 29th, so 28th. Yesterday was the market close of Friday. So as per yesterday, how much these stocks would have made us? We'll be looking into this. So what is the amount that we missed in this rally? So we'll be looking into that. So before that, my humble request to all the new people here or the people who haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe the channel so that it gives me some motivation to do further good videos. And also please hit that like button. I'll be giving you maybe a second to do so. Please do that so that it will really motivate booster for me. Please do that. Okay, so let's start with the session. So say here, as I mentioned earlier, what we'll be looking is assuming we will be investing 10,000 rupees in each of these stocks on 24th March, which was the bottom of the market. So from there, how exactly the stocks behaved till today. So we'll be starting. So we'll be looking into week by week from then how exactly the stocks behaved. So let's see here after we invested on 24th March. So you can see here on the 3rd of March, here is the details or 9th March. So that 10,000 rupees, Wockhardt would have given you 54 percentage profit. By then what it means is that 5,481 rupees profit in Wockhardt, and similarly Cipla would have given us 5,475 rupees, and the next ones were Aurobindo Pharma, Jubilant Food, Glenmark and all. So now you can see here 9th April, this was the result on the week of 9th. So now you can see here 17th April, Oro Pharma was giving us around 8,000 or 9,000 profit around that number, and Glenmark was the next big gainer, with giving us almost 7,500, 600 around that price. So you can see 30th May was the same, wherein Aurobindo was leading with almost 100% profit there. So you can see for the 10,000 whatever we have put, Aurobindo would have given us 11,000, 12,000 profit on top of it. So Oro Pharma was the leader in the next in the first few weeks, and after that you can see here the second, third, fourth position were occupied by different stocks, and you can see here as we started June month, Jubilant Life crossed the Aurobindo, wherein it is giving almost 150 percentage within 2 3 months. It was giving almost around 170 percentage, and you can see here at the end of June. So almost Aarti Drugs was also giving 170 percentage. So that means you can see the moment. So it is not just 17%, 18%, it is 10 times of that. That means 180%. And now Aarti Drugs is giving us 200% there, 210%. So you can see that. So 10,000 rupees invested would have become 23,000 in Aarti Drugs, and similarly 22,000 in Jubilant Food, and Oroforma 17,000. So coming to the August period here, you can see here 7th August, Aarti Drugs was the gainer, and then comes Jubilant Life, then Oroforma. So you can see here now we are into 14th August, and 21st August, here is the result. And if we are just want to close here with 28th August. So here are the results. So Aarti Drugs was the top gainer, wherein it gives 5 times of our money. So whatever 10,000 we had invested, so Aarti Drugs gave around 51,000 rupees for that 10,000. So it is a huge returns in almost 5 6 months. Then comes a Jubilant Life Sciences, wherein it gave us 20 to 30%. That means 10,000 invested would have gave us a profit of 23,423. And Oro Pharma, so a continuous decent runner gave us almost like a 166 percentage. Again, if that 10,000 rupees would have become 26,000 with that 16,640 gains. And Glenmark would have given us almost 16,000 profit for 10,000 rupees. Similarly, Wokat 11,000, and Shilpa Medicare around 10,800, and Strides Pharma that to around 10,794. That means whatever the stocks we saw now till that Strides Pharma, they are all giving us returns of more than 100%. So 10,000 for 10,000 we are getting 10,000 for all of these stocks starting from Strides Pharma. And coming to Cipla, Divislab, Natco Pharma, Sun Pharma, Lupin, Dr. Reddy's, and Torrent Pharma, Ajanta Pharma. So all were decent gainers, wherein they also gave us almost like more than 45% of the profit with that 10,000 rupees. Hope that you have liked the video and you got how exactly the pharma sector behaved in the last few days, and what was the big thing what we missed in this rally. So hope that it will be some knowledge video for you and you got some information from it. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it, and also share it with your friends and family so that they also get some knowledge related to market. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.